Good, superstar. Thank you. What?
You want to sing?
Me sing a song? I could try.
Okay. You want to sing?
But you're so much better than me. You're really good already. Now they want me to sing a song. Should I? I don't know. I guess I will. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, down, down. Falling show. It's the best I can do. So you make Serabi, right?
Yes. I make a Serabi Bandung.
Nice. Can you make me a durian Serabi?
Okay.
All right, good. I'm set. Durian Serabi coming up from the superstar. All right, so this is the kind of fun you can have in Jakarta, just walking around, just smiling and meeting people. Like with superstar Serabi right here. Don't you know he's a superstar? You know, right? No? Yes? He's bigger than Madonna. Serabi superstar. Madonna. This is Elton John right here. Elton John.
Elton John, yeah?
I like your hair too. Your hair is a little bit purple. Purple and gray. What's your name?
My name is Vincent.
Vincent. All right, cool. Nice to meet you. Serabi Bandung,
Okay.
the chef. Chef and superstar.
I started a job.
Oh, I love that song.
It's not the wall crying. But I don't see that the job was on me. Oh, I started to cry.
Yeah, see, he's got cheerleaders.
Oh, if I only see that the job was on me. I look at the sky.
Superstar Serabi singer.
Mantap,
Not easy to find him.
mantap, mantap.
Dangdut? Dangdut dancing.
Nanti dulu cari dulu.
Dancing. Whoa, thank you. Serabi durian. So this is Chinatown in Jakarta. You just kind of smile and have a good time, and people are friendly, really nice. So I got Serabi with durian. That smells amazing. It smells exactly like durian, and you made it to order. That's really good. Enak.
Okay.
That's so good. The durian sauce is really good. You make the sauce? You make it?
Yes, I make
You make the sauce?
I make it. Sauce.
Nice. Here's the sauce.
This
That's durian?
biasa apa ya? Biasa ya. Rasanya.
Yes. What's your name? Siapa nama Anda?
Arianti.
Arianti.
Oke, I'm tinggal di Kalideres Semanat.
Yes.
Lama musiknya dong. Kita apa? Lagi ketiban lintang, gemerlap cahaya sinar terang.
Jakarta.
I like dangdut.
She likes dangdut. Okay.
Demen sampean. Hajar besar biasa.
Hiya!
With keju and
Oh, Serabi chocolate.
coklat cheese. Cheese with
Oh, and
milk.
cheese. Yay! Hello, mister.
Mr. Jason makan serabi.
Makan Serabi. I eat Serabi.
Demen sampean. Demen sampean. Aneka milan mama. Lamaran
This is Mr. Jensen, ya. Please.
Oh, we got the milk. Oh, that's gonna be sweet. Cheese. All right, cool. Okay. And more chocolate? Oh man, that's overload. Overload. That's really overloaded. Oh. I kind of wanted that too. That looks pretty good. That looks really good. Okay, so she's done, and now I kind of they all want to sing for me now while I'm here. It's kind of like end of the day, you know. So now it's kind of rest time. So people start to kind of let loose a little bit. Hi. So now she's getting ready to sing a song, right? Enak. It's very delicious. I like it. Saya suka. You forgot the cup. Microphone in the cup. Yeah, very cool.
Hajar serabi.
Knocking on heaven's door. Oh, cool. You make juice? Oh, the juice is ready.
Orange juice.
Orange juice.
Yeah.
100%? 100%?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Orange juice is good. All right, I'll have that. Thank you.
Mix.
Mix? Mix is good?
Yeah.
Okay, mix.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lemon.
Okay, mix it all. But no sugar, okay?
Yeah.
No gula.
Yeah. No. Lemon.
Yeah.
No gula.
No gula. Thank you. What's that?
Ketna.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, passion fruit maybe? Oh, there's my dangdut lady.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, she speaks good English.
Little icon, mister. Little icon, mister.
Yeah, you speak well actually. You speak very well. What's your name? Uni, nice to meet you. How much is it?
15,000.
Okay. What are you drinking? Dragon fruit is good. I love dragon fruit. What's your name?
Stella.
Estella. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Jason.
Nice to meet you also, Jason.
Mr. Jason from America.
Baterainya habis.
$50,000.
15. Okay, got you. All right, so 15,000 for a really good homemade dessert. Good job. He's a master, really. Okay, love you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Yay! Okay, bye bye.